Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm going to show you how to grow a mango tree from seed. Here's a store-bought mango. I've got another one that we just finished eating, and we've taken out the seed. And what I want to show you is kind of how to get this to grow into that. I've got two that I planted about a year ago, I think, a little more than a year ago. And this one's doing really well, and this one's doing not so well. It was doing well up until a couple weeks ago, and then it started dropping all its leaves, and I don't know why. They were in different parts of the house. This one was definitely in a slightly different area with less heat and more sun. And I'm thinking this maybe just got kind of killed off because of the lack of sun and that it was drier. Maybe. I'm not really sure. In my recent video that I posted about the star fruit dropping its leaves, I had a really helpful comment from one of the viewers saying that I should do like a little greenhouse, set up over it. And since this one is doing so well, I figure I'm going to just leave this one as it is, but I will probably try to do that for this one too, and the star fruit. But that's another story. So yeah, like you can see that it definitely, has been growing nicely. You can see there's more growth coming out here at the top. And it's a really nice looking tree. This one was doing well, but I'm not sure, again, exactly what's the fix. But so yeah, just basically what you want to do is once you got the seed, you're going to split it open. I've already split this one with a knife. You can just picture this was kind of all closed together. And you want to be careful because you don't want to damage the seed inside. But basically just take that part out. I'm going to split it open all the way in a second, and I'll show it to you in a moment. Alright, so there it is. I've pulled it out of the the casing here, and you can see that the seed is looking pretty healthy. These do tend to have slightly different shapes. The previous ones that I've done, they didn't have this little bump here, so yeah, I don't know, I guess maybe just a different type, or just the seed can have different shapes, I guess. But anyway, what we are going to do is take this and put it in our paper towel here, and do the same thing that we've done for everything else that I've sprouted. This part just goes into your compost pile. You can just see the inside of it if you want, but yeah, you don't need this part. So you're just going to put this here, moisten the paper towel, fold it over, and keep it damp, and put a plastic bag over it, and just let it sit. And hopefully in about, I think it was like about a week, maybe between a week and 2 weeks, I think is if I remember right. But we'll see it. I'll show you the next step after it sprouts.
Alright, so it's actually only been 6 days, and the mango seed has sprouted, so take a look. I do have a little bit of mold on there, which is not that great, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be okay. I'll wipe it off. And you can see the little root shooting down there, so here, let me pick it up, try to get it better light for you here. So there's the little root. And I'm going to plant this today. I will clean off the little mold here, just wipe off with the damp paper towel, and then we're going to plant it in here. And if I remember right, this part will basically grow down, so you kind of want this facing like this, and then you're going to get another thing shooting up for the actual stem. So I'm going to plant it like this. And yeah, let me clean this off and get it in the ground. Okay, so I made a nice little hole for it. We're going to cover it up with the soil and get this watered, because this is a little bit dried out. But I'm just going to get the soil right over the seed, and I'll show it to you next. Yep, so that's it. Got it all covered up, and I'm going to water it. And, in the next couple weeks, it should be coming up and sprouting into a nice little tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up. I'm actually really thankful. Had some really great growth on the channel this past few days, so I've actually crossed the 100 subscribers threshold, which is a big milestone for me, so that's really cool. I really appreciate it. Thanks everybody for signing up, and yeah, just keep your support coming. It's much appreciated and definitely motivates me to keep making these videos. Yeah, just remember to be conscious and conscientious, and grow your own food, and see what you can do with fun little activities like this. It's really fun for the kids too, and for the adults as well. So yeah, thanks again for your time, and see you in the next one.